times medical, surgical tools and instruments. Since 1977, we are providing the best surgical instruments and services to the medical staff for the best possible treatment of patients. With proper manufacturing and care, instruments can last for decades. At the very first, the most important thing in the production is quality of steel. The best you select, the best you produce. In the forging process, our skilled craftsmen give life to the metal and give it the rudimentary shape that will go through series of complicated process. At the stage of forging inspection, every forged tool comes for checking to ensure no piece contains any cracks or is reshaped beyond the acceptable limits. In this process, forging is cut or shaped by machine. Here instruments are taking their specific shape through grinding and hammers. Extremely skilled labor is required for machining process and carried out by instrument specialists only. The milling process removes material by performing many separate, small cuts. This is accomplished by using a cutter with many teeth, spinning the cutter at high speed, or advancing the material through the cutter slowly. At this stage, the steel is not too hard yet, so the process of filling is used to shape the instruments in the expected shape they are required to be. The worker matched the shape exactly with the sample or the specific shape provided them. In this process, the workers put instruments in the temper machine, which is filled with a particular material. Then instruments are tempered, and it's have ensured that every instrument gets equal heat and treatment, so a consistent quality would be achieved. Plant and heat treatment are used to enhance the hardness of the metal surface through heating and rapid cooling. The material is heated in a hardening furnace to a temperature that transforms its internal structure without melting it. Instruments get their finish here. For example, if instruments have to polish or satin finish. Till this point at manufacturing stage, all necessary shaping is done. Polishing makes every millimeter of instruments clear, and if any instruments which hidden defects are still there, they will reveal could be sorted out. Quality assurance is a process that is used to control and improve the development of instruments to ensure it will meet all specifications and requirements. Each lot of instruments are checked by executive and they go for the further processings. In inspection they see each and every part, and defect parts are marked with red marker, and if rejected, they will send to polishing again. In this process, the instruments are dipped into types of materials for cleaning the polished raw things on it. Ultrasonic cleaning cleans any polishing material stuck and leaves the instruments crystal clear. In this process, our workers check the cuts and all the blocks of instruments just by viewing the instruments individually. Instruments are comes to get etching and laser marking stamp. To make the stamp reliable and even sustainable under high boiling temperature. This stamp procedure is done by electric etching machines when instruments are sterilized. All instruments are cleaned and checked again one by one. To do these process again, the checking for operation, measurement, polish and usability. The packing of instruments to make a shipment is done here. Packing in boxes. Each contains 100 pieces, then 10 boxes go in a carton. Carton must be hardened, which can save the instruments till it reach at the customer's door. Goods shipped to the customer given address. Thank you for watching. Follow and subscribe us for more information.